To my session. Today I am going to explain you a very important theorem, which is our fourth theorem of circles. So let us understand what is the fourth theorem and then we will prove it. Now the fourth theorem says that center of a circle lies on the bisector angle formed by the two equal chords with a common point. So what does it say? That there is a circle. Then it says that the center of a circle lies on a bisector angle formed by two equal chords. So with a common point. So we will take a common point and draw two equal chords. Now this bisector passes through the center according to this theorem. So now let us prove this, that the bisector of the angle formed by two equal chords with a common point passes through the center. Now how we will prove it? Now we know that this is passing through the center. Now let us prove that this angle is equal to this angle so that we can prove that this is the bisector. Let us draw a triangle. Now we know that these two chords are equal. This common side is equal and this angle is equal. So these two triangles can be equal by SAS congruence rule. So this theorem is proved. Now let us practice some of the questions so that we perfect this theorem. Now guys, let us practice this question. This is a very important question and this can mostly come in exam. So please devote your great interest in it. So guys, this question is a single question and it is very important. So this question says that a circular path. So let us first draw a circular path. This is your circular path and it says that its radius is 20 meter. So let's take this radius as 20 meter. It's situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Sayyed and David. Let us draw Ankur, Sayyed and David are sitting at equal on its boundary. So we can say that this is equal to this as is equal to this because they are sitting at equal distance. Now they have a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find length of the string of each phone. So it is asking that we have to calculate this each string. So let us calculate it. Now how to get this line by this one? It's very difficult and very important. So let's make it very easy and let's solve this question. Now guys, there is a formula of a centroid. Now how is it done? Like this is the center. So let us first make medians of this triangle. Now if we let us make it. Now this is the median. This is the median. And this is to a median. Now there is a formula called a centroid which is applicable on all triangles which have intersection of its medians. So this intersection of medians applies the formula of centroid, that this intersection cuts this line into 2:1 part. I'm not saying 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter. It is dividing it into 2:1 ratio. Now, let us mark it as O. Now, it is dividing it into two parts. Now, if we take the common ratio as X, so let us find. Now, common ratio is X. So, 2X plus 1X. Okay guys? Now, we know that O is equals to 20 because it is the radius. Now since it's the radius, now we know that 2x would be equal to 20. Now x values would be equal to 10. So now we can say that this line is equal to 10. Till now understood? Now let us apply more methods further. Now this is 10. Now we have to find this line. Now let's first just find this one. Now this is 10, this is the radius, this is 20. Now we can apply here Pythagoras theorem. Now how we have to prove it 90 degree. Now we have already studied in a theorem that if a chord is bisected, because I said you draw the median, and a median divides each part of a triangle in two equal parts. So we can say these two are equal. Now we have studied in the theorem that if a line passes from the center to the chord bisecting it, it is perpendicular to it. We know that it's 90 degree. Now by Pythagoras theorem we can say that 400 is equal to 100 plus, okay, let us take a square. This side let us take it a square. Now is plus a square. Now we can say that it is equal to 300 is equal to a square, which is equal to root 300, which can be if we have to find the total, this is just one part. We have to first multiply into two parts, then into three parts. So 3 into 2 6 root 300. It can be further also divided. Now let us see how can we take out the numbers from this. Now 300 can be separated into 75 into 2 and this also can be separated by, okay, it can be separated 15 into 5. So it can separate 3 into 5 into 5. So we can say that it is equal to 60 root 3. Now this answer, whole total length of the string is equal to 60 root 3 centimeter. So this is the question, and you have to just observe the question. And please remember this formula of a centroid. It can be applied anywhere when the intersection of triangle is there. Intersection of the medians of triangle is there. So this was theorem 4. Meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.